Chiang Kham. I thought we were in Chiang Rai. I read the signs wrong, or I was given the wrong information. Yeah, just here at another temple, having a look. There's a performance going on over here. Pretty cool. We'll just do another quick video. Yeah, Chiang Kham or something, I don't know. Apologies to my Thai friends. Yeah, no, I do get a bit tongue-tied. Pronunciations aren't my best, but I'm pretty good with tones. Yeah, it'll just be a short video, just showing a bit of content. There's a fair few people here over there, fair few families. Good to see. People enjoying life. You know, people aren't stuck behind a phone or a computer desk. Good to see people out walking. Yeah, I quite like that sound, it's quite good. Yeah, I like this old building. I think they've got a restaurant in there, it looked like. Yeah, there's the back entrance. Yeah, I was just uploading a whole bunch of shorts from the other one, and the girlfriend goes, "It's not Chiang Rai." And I said, "You told me Chiang Rai." She goes, "Are you grumpy at me?" I said, "If you say so." Yeah, it's good that they got all these no smoking signs there. Actually, we'll have a quick sticky beacon here. You know, I thought we'll go into the mountains today. I think I've got to take my shoes off here. What we'll do is we'll just have a bit of a look. Yeah, here's that entrance. I thought it was like a restaurant. Yeah, we won't film over there. I've got my family there. As I said, I've been harassed and bullied and doxed. You know, I don't care that my images are out there, so I was planning to show my face, but my family are innocent. There I am. How you going, guys? You want to get a better shot so you can stick on all your clone accounts. There you go. Yeah. Absolute clowns these blokes were. Actually, they created a Facebook account, sent disgusting messages to my girlfriend. My girlfriend went into shock. I hope Captain Phayao and his henchmen, Stupid D and Old Woman Uncut, feel happy with themselves. Absolute children they are. I wonder how they would feel if I went out to Isan when I go out there shortly and my girlfriend has a chat to his family. I wonder how he's going to feel about that. Gotta take the shoes off again, show respect, because I'm a respectful guy. Yeah, we'll wrap this video up again in a minute. You know, I'm a man of peace. I want joy. I want to motivate people. I don't want to get into this drama. But what do? Do you just sit down, roll over and take it? No. You stand up against YouTube bullies, Facebook bullies. You know, I apologise to my loyal subscribers. We'll try and stay out of this drama, but it is what it is. I'm sure a lot of you people would agree with me. You know, there is a time to stand up. I will expose these clowns for what they've done. It's a very sad story, what happened. Wrap that up. Hit the like, subscribe if that's what you want to do. We're going to deliver some content, so certainly stick around if that's what you're into.